Well, good morning, friends. Vicky and I are out here at Trinity Park in Fort Worth this morning because she's got a bit of a challenge she's working on. I'm going to let her tell you about it.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
So I've been inspired by the celebration of my dear friend Tammy. That's Lessons from Lila on YouTube. She just celebrated her 5-year recovery of lymphoma. So that's why I'm doing this.
That's awesome.
Well,
Tammy's awesome.
Pretty excited for her.
Me too.
So next weekend I am doing the big virtual climb. It is to raise money and awareness for leukemia and lymphoma. I will be climbing 1,762 steps to get to the top of that a couple of different times.
So how many times do you have to run up and down those stairs, do you think?
I don't know. I'm guessing there's about 60 steps there. Do the math for me quick, would you?
A lot.
Well, I'm not real sure how many steps are here, so that's why I'm here today, is to figure out the parking logistics and to see how many steps there are here. And then I'll do the math and get back to you on that.
Awesome. All right, well, I think I'm going to get my drone out and follow you up there.
All right, no pressure there.
So how long did it take you to go up and down those stairs?
If I run, it takes less than 30 seconds, but I can't do that very many times. I'm going to have to walk. So it ended up being 61 steps plus a couple extra steps on the landing, and yeah, that's a tough run out.
I love it, though. Good for you, Vicky. I'm proud of you.
Thanks for helping.
You're welcome. So, yeah.
So see you back here next Saturday for the big run, the big climb.
Let's do it.
Thanks.
So my drone didn't want to fly very much under that bridge. That was kind of funny. I'm glad it stopped me, though. It told me, you can't go any higher. Get out from underneath the bridge. Smart drone. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you'll cheer Vicky on next weekend. And whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day today, too. Y'all, stay lost, my friends. Stay in the air conditioning. I don't know how you're doing this, Vic. It's hot.
Say next weekend we get here right after Totally Kathy.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do it. Huh. I guess they are patrolling the park. That's pretty cool. This chick is tough, man. She is working out. Kudos to you, lady. Nifty neato. Only in Fort Worth, Texas, I tell ya.